Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to make a super cute and easy desk organizer. So first of all, we need some cardboard pieces. And now we need to cover it with paper. Okay guys, so I'm very sorry I forgot to mention about this piece. It measures 13 into 6.5 centimeters. Now using a glue gun, join all the pieces. Now after joining all the sides, take some cardstocks or any printed paper and cover all the sides. Okay, so here the back side is not going to be visible, so I'm pasting a normal colored paper. Here I've cut out some hearts from the same paper and I'll paste it in the back like this. Now moving to the final part, here I'm using this lace. You can use any washi tape, printed tape or any lace or decorative item that you have. I'm fixing it using a glue gun. And our beautiful and super cute desk organizer is ready. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, subscribe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section.